how to use reading mode in Microsoft Edge. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, reading mode is a feature in Microsoft Edge that reduces distractions by changing the background and removing unnecessary elements from web pages. So, However, you can only use it in website that supports the reading mode. So for that, open up a Microsoft Edge and basically you should open up some kind of article. So I'll look for news. So I'll open it up. And once I open it up, you will see the A icon on the top. You can tap on it. So you can see the three dots on the top on the search bar. Tap on it and you can see immersive reader option. You can tap on it and the reading mode opens up. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.